Coming in at number 8, we have a category I call luxury landfill. This is for products that charge you a premium price for something that is guaranteed to become garbage. The 2025 winner is the Ultra Human Rare Smart Ring, a luxury wearable that retailed for an insane $800, with some models costing over $2,000. The promise: exclusivity and advanced health monitoring. But here's the gist. The only thing rare about this ring was finding a user who was happy with it. Reviewers and teardown experts found 2 fatal flaws. 1. The battery life was often less than 18 hours. It spent more time on the charger than on your finger. And 2, it was designed to be disposable. Teardowns confirmed the battery is completely sealed, unrepairable, and rated for only 500 charge cycles. This isn't a luxury product. It's an $800 piece of e-waste that's guaranteed to die in 2 years. Look, if you absolutely must have a smart ring, the answer is simple. Just get the Oura ring. It's the established market leader. It actually works, and the company has a proven track record. But if you just want the best health tracking, a Galaxy Watch or a Fitbit costs half as much and does 10 times more. Don't pay a luxury price for a disposable product. I've linked the alternatives that actually last down below. At number 7, we have the award for the most useless AI of the year.